Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to the iconic Highland House, a luxurious estate nestled in the heart of Montego Bay, Jamaica. This breathtaking property is a rare gem, offering an unparalleled blend of history, elegance, and tropical paradise. It sits on 17 acres of land. As you approach the property, you will be struck by its majestic presence with lush gardens and a stunning facade that exudes warmth and sophistication. The moment you step inside, you will be enveloped in a world of luxury and refinement, with soaring ceilings, gleaming hardwood floors, and exquisite architectural details that pay homage to the property's rich heritage. With six sumptuous bedrooms, each with a serene retreat, with ensuite bathrooms and private sitting areas. Highland House is the epitome of luxury living. The grand great room, with its expansive windows and sliding glass doors, seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living, creating a space for entertaining or relaxation. The most remarkable feature is the sprawling outdoor oasis, where a sparkling pool, sun-kissed terraces, and lush tropical gardens create a haven for sun-soaked days and starry nights. Imagine sipping cocktails by the pool, surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,650,000 or Jamaican $253.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.